Hey, welcome back to Meditation with Rene. I am Rene. I would like to thank you for joining me for today's session, titled Meditation for Beginners. You can choose from two different positions: on the floor with your legs crossed, as I am, or in a chair with back support, whichever you prefer. When it comes to your hands, it's the same thing. You can place them on your knees, palms down, or up, or in your lap, like I do. If you're ready, go ahead and close your eyes. And just breathe naturally. We're not trying to control our breath. We're not trying to breathe differently. We're just trying to have a natural breathing in and out breath. Breathing in and out. What are we trying to achieve with meditation? What state is my mind and body supposed to be in? The answer is none. We just sit here, taking a break for ourselves, disconnecting from our cell phones, computers, conversations. We're just taking a seat to get to know ourselves. With every breath that I exhale, I just try to relax a little more. So as I breathe in and out, I just want to relax even more in my seated position. Some people think that you should not move in meditation. I do not agree. If you feel uncomfortable, if your back hurts or there's some tension in your body, adjust. Meditation is not supposed to be hard. It's not supposed to be difficult. It's not supposed to be something that you dread doing. We're just taking a break. I would like you to seek out any tension that you may have in your body. Right now, I'm feeling a little tension in my upper back. So I'm going to bring my attention towards that and breathe in. And as I exhale, I'm going to release that point of tension. I'm going to try to relax my upper back and lower back with every exhale. This, of course, might seem weird the first couple of times, just like anything. The better or more we practice it, the better we get at it. I want you to imagine yourself sitting on the side of a river under a tree. As we breathe, the water flows down the river. Every now and then, a fish will flow by. The fish is thoughts. As we sit here and we meditate, other thoughts go through your mind, like the fish swimming downriver. A thought, I need to go take out the trash, or I need to take a car in for an oil change. That's normal. It's normal to have thoughts into your mind that has nothing to do with what it is that you're trying to focus on. Same thing with school. When you're sitting at work, you might be focusing on a task, but some other thought might interrupt that. And that's okay. The practice is acknowledging when our thoughts or mind has wandered. So as we sit here by the river, we breathe in and out, relaxing and taking a break from life, electronics, friends and family, and we just sit here. So the practice is acknowledging when a thought has entered your mind. And you say, oh, a thought just entered my mind. And you let it go. And then you bring your attention back to breathing, back to the water running down the river. It's normal for us to have thoughts that enters our awareness or our attention space. It's normal. So what we must do is, once we acknowledge that a new thought has come into our attention, we acknowledge it, we don't get angry, and we let it go. That's the practice. And you go back to breathing. Back to focusing on an anchor point, which is, in this case, our breath for today. Again, with practice, this will take time. Go ahead now and listen to my voice as an anchor point as you breathe in and out. In closing, I would like to recite an original poem titled Outside. Sitting here looking past the clouds to the stars, feeling the wind move my clothes, the smell of cedar and mesquite, listening to the sounds of life. As I become closer to nature, I can and you can begin to understand me. If your eyes were closed, go ahead and open them now. Great job today, and please remember that with more practice, it's going to get easier. As always, please be kind to yourself, others, and all living things. See you tomorrow.